Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can we fix the problem that our Instagram story is not deleting. So first of all, I post a story and show you the real problem. Like I am creating a story here and tap a photo of my laptop keyboard here as a story. Okay, now I share it as my story, like I am sharing and done. Okay, now you can see that my story has been uploaded. Okay, now I have to click on it and I want to delete the story. I just click on the more option and then click on the delete, and yes, delete. So you can see that my story has not been deleted here. So how can I solve this problem? First of all, you have to open your Play Store and search here the Instagram. If you have an update option here, you just want to update your Instagram app and make sure that you use the latest version of Instagram to avail all of these new features in your Instagram account. If you have such type of the problem even after the updating of your app, so then you have to just tap and hold the Instagram app and then click on the app info, and you have to just click on the storage and cache. Now you have to clear cache first and then click on the clear storage and then press OK. Now you have to tap on your story that you want to delete from your Instagram account and just click on the delete option here, delete from Instagram only, and yes, you have done it successfully. So you have seen that this problem of not deleting the story has been solved successfully. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.